Good veggies for your liver. Your liver is key, doing 500 plus jobs like cleaning your blood, using fat, making bile, and saving food. A good liver helps you feel well. It cleans bad stuff, controls fat, and helps you digest food. Eating veggies that help your liver is a simple way to make it work better, lower swelling, and stop problems like fatty liver. This list has 15 veggies that are good for your liver. It tells you what they have, how they work, and how to eat them. Each veggie has stuff that helps clean, lowers stress, and helps your body, so they are key to a strong liver. 1. Broccoli. Broccoli, a green veggie, is great for your liver because it has many good things that turn into strong stuff like sulforaphane. These things help your liver make cleaning helpers that get rid of bad stuff. By helping your liver clean better, broccoli helps it get rid of waste well. Also, broccoli's good stuff like vitamin C helps stop damage, keeping liver cells safe. Eating broccoli often may lower the chance of fatty liver by stopping fat buildup. Its fiber helps your stomach and helps make good flow, which is key for using fat. To eat more broccoli, cook it a bit to keep it healthy, add oil and garlic for a good liver meal. You can mix broccoli in fries, soups, or salads for a meal with lots of good stuff. Try to eat 1 to 2 cups of it a few times each week to help your liver a lot. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is like broccoli and helps your liver in many of the same ways. It has things like glucosinolates that help your liver clean out bad stuff. These things help get rid of toxins. Cauliflower also has things that fight swelling and keep liver cells safe. It has lots of fiber that helps your stomach, stopping toxins from going back in, which can hurt the liver. Research shows that cauliflower might cut down fat in the liver, which helps stop fatty liver issues. To get the best results, roast it with turmeric and olive oil, since turmeric helps calm swelling. Cauliflower rice or mash is a good low-carb choice instead of grains for your liver. Eat 1 or 2 servings each week to help your liver work well and stay healthy. 3. Cabbage. You can find green, red, and Savoy cabbage. It's a great food for your liver, full of glucosinolates and vitamin C. Cabbage makes detox enzymes and fights cell-harming free radicals. Its sulfur helps clean out toxins so the liver can get rid of them well. Cabbage has lots of fiber to help you digest food well. It helps you go to the bathroom often and stops fat from building up in your liver, which can cause liver problems. Red cabbage also has things called anthocyanins that help fight damage and swelling. You can eat cabbage in salads, as sauerkraut, or cooked in soups. Kimchi, a type of cabbage, gives you good bacteria that help your stomach and liver. Try to eat 1 or 2 cups of cabbage a few times a week to help your liver. Kale is a green leafy food full of good things for your liver. It has chlorophyll, antioxidants, and sulfur that make it great for your liver. Chlorophyll helps clean your blood by grabbing bad stuff, so your liver does not have to work as hard. Kale has stuff like broccoli that helps clean your body, and things that fight swelling. It helps make bile, needed to break down fat and keep your liver healthy. Lots of vitamin K in kale helps your liver by managing blood and calming swelling. Put kale in drinks, salads, or cook it with garlic and lemon for a good meal. Rubbing raw kale with oil helps you digest it and keeps the good stuff in it. Eat 1 or 2 cups a week to help clean your liver and feel good. 5. Spinach. Spinach is a green that helps your liver because it has chlorophyll, iron, and things that fight damage. Chlorophyll helps clean by grabbing bad stuff, and things like glutathione keep liver cells safe from harm. Spinach nitrates make blood flow to the liver better, so it gets enough air and food to work well. Its fiber helps your stomach, so the liver does not have to work as hard to stop bad stuff. Spinach also helps make glutathione, which is great for liver cleanup, and may cut down on fat in the liver. To get the most good, lightly cook spinach to keep its good stuff, since too much cooking can make it less strong. Put spinach in drinks, soups, or eggs for a good liver boost. Try to eat 1 to 2 cups a few times each week to help clean your liver and stay healthy. 6. Swiss chard. Swiss chard, with its bright leaves and stems, has lots of good things like beta-carotene, polyphenols, and vitamins A and K, which all keep liver cells safe from harm. It has magnesium that helps clean enzymes work, and its fiber helps with food moving and bile flow. Swiss chard fights swelling to help lower liver swelling, which is key to stopping long-term liver issues. Eating it often may also help the liver clean and remove bad stuff better. Cook Swiss chard with garlic and oil, or put it in soups for a healthy meal. Its taste goes well with lemon or vinegar. Eat 1 or 2 cups each week to help clean your liver and stay healthy. 7. Beetroot. Beetroot is a bright root good for the liver, with things like betaine and betalains. Betaine helps clean, and betalains lower stress and swelling in the liver. Beets nitrates help blood flow so the liver gets enough air to work well. They help make bile, which helps with fat and stops fatty liver. Some tests say beets can help fix liver cells and make liver work better. Bake beets with oil or mix them in a drink to help your liver. Beet juice is good, but don't drink too much because it has a lot of sugar. Try to eat 1 or 2 servings of beets each week to help your liver clean and stay strong. Carrots. Carrots have lots of beta-carotene, which your body uses to make vitamin A. This keeps liver cells safe from damage and helps them grow back. The stuff in them, like special acids, lowers swelling and helps clean bad stuff out of you. Carrots help your belly work well, so the liver works less. Vitamins A and K help it clean too. Eating carrots often may help liver numbers and cut the risk of fatty liver. Eat them raw as a snack in salads or cooked with herbs. Juice is good, but not too much as it has sugar. Eat 1 to 2 cups a week to help your liver. 9. Lettuce. Often not thought of, lettuce is a good light food for your liver. Its helpers, like vitamin C, clean out bad stuff and lower stress in the liver. The water in lettuce helps you stay wet, which helps clean you out, and the fiber helps your belly and stops bad stuff from coming back. Eating lettuce often may cut the risk of long-term liver problems by helping your body work well. Use lettuce as a base for salads, in sandwiches, or in green drinks. Romaine and red leaf types are very healthy. Try for 1 or 2 cups a few times each week to help your liver work well. Garlic. Garlic is a strong friend to your liver because it has sulfur, like allicin. These things turn on detox helpers and get rid of bad metals and poisons. It has things that keep liver cells safe from damage. It can also lower bad fats and help with fat use, which cuts bad liver risk. Garlic also kills germs, which helps your gut. This also helps the liver by cutting down on poisons. Add cut-up garlic to fried foods, soup, or cooked veggies for a tasty liver boost. Eating 1 or 2 cloves each day can really help your liver and make you more healthy. Onions, full of sulfur and quercetin, help the liver clean by running helpers and cutting down swelling. Their good stuff keeps liver cells safe from damage, and they lower bad fats to stop buildup. Onions help the liver clean bad things from blood. Add onions to foods like soup or salad for a good liver boost. Eat 1 to 2 servings each week to help clean and keep your liver strong. 12. Bitter melon is a special food that helps the liver by making sugar work better and cutting liver fat. Its good stuff helps clean and make liver cells new. Bitter melon helps move bile, burning fat and stopping liver disease. Cook bitter melon by frying it with spices or making it juice. Its taste can be fixed with sour or red fruit. Eat 1 or 2 each week to help your liver. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes have lots of good fiber and things that keep cells safe, helping the liver and calming swelling. The carbs break down slowly, keeping blood sugar steady and helping the liver, while fiber helps you digest food. They also help burn fat, lowering the chance of fatty liver. Bake or smash sweet potatoes for a yummy side or put them in soups. Try to eat 1 or 2 each week to help your liver stay healthy. 14. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts, another green veggie, have things that turn on detox helpers and stop bad stuff from causing cancer. Their fiber helps you digest food, so less bad stuff goes back in, while things that keep cells safe stop fat from building up in the liver. Bake them with oil or put them in stir-fries for a healthy dish. Eat 1 to 2 cups each week for the best liver health. 15. Water spinach, used a lot in Asian food, helps clean your liver with its green stuff and helpers. It helps take bad stuff out of your blood, lowers stress, and helps your stomach. It's great at making liver numbers better and fixing fatty liver. Cook it plain with garlic or put it in soup for a liver-safe meal. Eat 1 to 2 cups each week to help your liver work better. To get the most liver help from these plants, eat many kinds and cook them in ways that keep the good stuff. Steam, bake, or eat them raw to keep all the good stuff, and eat them with good fats like olive oil to help your body take in vitamins. Try to eat many colors to get many helpers and plant stuff. For example, mix kale, carrots, and beets in a salad, or cook broccoli, cauliflower, and garlic in a pan. Foods like kimchi help your gut and liver. Eat small amounts. Try to eat 4 to 6 helpings of these greens each day. If you juice them, add water to cut down on sugar. Don't cook them too much so they keep their good stuff. Getting greens grown without strong bug killers may help your liver clean your body better. Eating these 15 greens helps your liver in a simple, good way. From stuff in broccoli to things in beets, each green has things that help clean your body, lower swelling, and stop fat from building up. Eating many of these good foods often can keep your liver safe from harm, help it burn fat better, and cut your risk of long-term liver problems like fatty liver. Start easy by adding 1 or 2 of these greens to what you eat, and slowly add more kinds to make a lasting diet that is good for your liver. Your body and how well you feel will be better for it.